What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know it's a NEWLINK there, you know, from NEWLINK production. So, people, right about now, a big things are going on over Instagram there. You know what I mean? Because Teejay got drop a video now, people. You know what I mean? It's a cooking video where I'm like on a riverbank and I'm do some cooking and he make a little statement in the video. I say, yo, some man are going like them, you know what I mean? Chef on internet and you know what I mean? So it's a this thing where several people are say, yo, a Popcaan him attack and thing. You know what I mean? But in a it him never call the name people in just say someone they on internet are going like them a chef, you know what I mean? Which is a diss to some man, but me don't know who him a call some man or such man. Well, in the end, viewers and subscribers, on a real level, Zine, we know that Popcaan is an artist who always a cook, whether them house or whether them on a riverbank. Same way, even in a water pan, the fire water thing, Popcaan just love cook. So in the end now, the whole premise me NEWLINK, you know. Me I say, yo, Jano, I really Popcaan him attack like how many people assume and I say, wish me can't really see a Poppy him attack. But when me looking at the whole thing, me I say, yo, even if a Poppy him attack, maybe him just do it as a fun thing or a joke thing. I don't know, say controversy selling a music and that just great for see Teejay and Popcaan really go at it. Me not tell them say yo, no physical thing or no personal thing, but really go at it and build some vibes. You know what I mean? Because people are say yo, the other day Popcaan get flop, Popcaan thing water done. And me say when I hear that man, Popcaan thing can never get flop, the man thing can never water done. Because the man done said already Popcaan is like the dancehall Bob Marley who creates songs and hit songs we can't stop listen to. Zine, so in the end now people, when me say me that want to see, right? Me that want to see them have a riverside cook off. You get me I say with Teejay and Popcaan then. And this so we can prove and see what the real chef. But for me, my perspective right now, people, who me that say are the top chef right now is not up top boss. Me a give to Popcaan and not because NEWLINK say is an unruly fan or is a up top fan. You know what I mean? But basically, Teejay only show one look a clip. You see me? But we say Popcaan a show you long clips of him in the kitchen a cook and whole heap of time. So Teejay in the end now, maybe me I say yo, one day for Teejay really put on the pot or just go in there and share. Because basically I share the food, you know. I mean a man say yo, can you give me some more okra and he say, yeah man, you know what I mean? So yo people, me I tell you now, boy, we just wish the two artists them really do a cook off still and make we can see what go on. Because I know the fans then that love that, especially in a them time you know when enough people they woman them want a little thing to make them joy. So right now me a vote feed people. Up top boss and Popcaan cook off pan the riverbank. Yeah man, that's what I say it. So now the end people, we're gonna make a listen to the clip, you know what I mean? Even though I don't see it visual without the audio, I'm making a listen to the clip, you know what I mean? And you know just hear what up top boss I say and thing and yeah man, I don't see in the clip, you know see Popcaan I do him look cooking things, same way, you know. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. I just enough love and enough respect, man. And we say attack and do enjoy the local clip with up top boss and I look scene with Popcaan same way, you know what I mean? Cause unruly boss, up top boss, cook off, gonna be a fun thing. You don't know this is NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, man, and we say attack, and I just peace in people and love and respect and be good and be great. Love your sisters, love your brothers, but don't trust nobody. Peace out. Attack.
Chef firm.
Alright.
Give me somebody with my thing, man.
Yeah. Sing like that. Alright, you see it.
Yeah, I'll get some more okra right, man. I'll get you right, man.
What am I talking about?